Live or not. Here we go. Hey, it's Anathea, your divine feminine educator. Can't ever tell when I'm going live. My internet is so slow. But today in this video, what I want to talk to you about are 3 ways to use your feminine energy to attract a good partner, to attract a nice man. Now, the reason why I say man is because a lot of women are searching for that. So I want to be politically correct. Yes, everyone wants love. Yes, everyone wants to attract a good partner. But I actually have Google Juice search on the Google search engines for how to attract a man using feminine energy. And that's because women are searching that, or maybe men are searching that as well. So today, what I want to talk to you about are 3 ways. Gosh, my thing is just like, what is going on? My phone. 3 ways that you can use your feminine energy to attract in true love, to attract in a good partner, to attract in a nice man. Okay, and I'm going to have some really good events. I want to give you an update on some events that I'm doing. As you can see, I'm cooking up a storm here. Hey, I can see 2 people are here. Thanks for being here today. What I'm talking about are 3 ways to use your feminine energy to attract a great partner. So please comment. I'd love to know who's here right now. I finished all of the chakras, and I hope you enjoyed that series. And now I'm moving on to feminine energy, the power of your feminine energy, how to embrace your feminine energy, because we have an imbalance of masculine and feminine energies on the planet. Now, there's nothing wrong with masculine energy. It's just that the middle ground is where the health is. The middle ground of masculine and feminine balance is where you will find your joy and your happiness. Believe you me. So we have to balance the doing and going and making something happen with the being. So let me show you how I'm bringing 3 aspects of the feminine energy into play when you want to attract a good person into your life, when you want to attract a good intimate partner, you want to attract a nice man. Okay, so what kind of feminine energy are you using? Is it authentic? Is it inauthentic? Do you use it to manipulate and control? And what are you attracting as far as love relationships? Do you want to free yourself from dysfunctional relationship behaviors? So what are you attracting? Do you have you attracted into your life relationships that are codependent, that are toxic, that are you're only there for because it's for security, or you're the only one that's actually in the relationship, the other person is completely checked out? That is a painful relationship to be in. So do you want to attract a quality relationship? Let me tell you, if you want to attract a quality relationship, then you need to get off the computer, out of the bars, and go inside. That's the feminine way of attraction. See, the feminine is the innie. She's the attracting force. So you just need to open your feminine energy with consciousness, and the right person will come in. But let me give you 3 aspects of the feminine so that you can attract in a good guy. So number 1 is stop trying so hard. Stop being on those dating sites. You know, I say use God.com. And you know what I mean by God.com? Is trust that when you're supposed to be single, you are single. And when you are supposed to be in relationship, you are in relationship. I've met my last 2 major relationships that way. And they were profound and powerful. Well, I'm in my second, in the other one currently. And it's the most beautiful relationship. I told him, you're the best boyfriend I ever had. And guess who brought us together? A turtle. Because I let go and let God. I wasn't on dating sites. Now, I'm not negating it, and people have found good people by going on dating sites. But sometimes you just have to stop trying so hard and just let it happen. And sometimes if you stop trying so hard, what's going to happen is you're going to feel that longing inside. Don't be fearful of it. Feel it. Feel where that is in your heart or in your belly, or aching in your neck, wherever it is, and just be with that longing and that pain, that heartache. Hold it in your love and compassion. And when you do that, what you're going to actually do is you're going to shift the frequency of your body, of the energy that you actually emit, and you'll create a vacuum. And what you're going to attract in is a higher level of relationship. So number one, stop trying so hard. Okay. Number two is develop the fine art of aloneness. You know, many people don't want to be alone. It's because they haven't developed the fine art of aloneness. And aloneness and the fine art of aloneness is quite different from loneliness. It's really cultivating a relationship with yourself so that when you're by yourself, you really enjoy your company. Now, this is something to really cultivate. Have you ever gone into a weekend where you didn't have any plans, or maybe an evening where you didn't have any plans with anyone and you live alone and you were scared, you got into a cycle that wasn't productive for you? That's what you can free yourself from when you cultivate the fine art of aloneness. And that's really just cultivating a relationship with yourself. So that's number two, develop the fine art of aloneness. And number three is trust in the process. You know, there's going to be times when you're single. There's going to be times when you're in relationship, as I said. And you've just got to trust the journey. That when you are in relationship, be present in that relationship, no matter how hard or difficult it is, or how joyous it is. Be present in it. And when you are not in relationship, then I really encourage you to embrace what I call sacred singlehood. Don't be searching for a relationship. When you're single, that is the exact time for you to embrace and cultivate the relationship that you have with yourself. And I actually do astrology readings where I look at your inner beloved imprint. And so everybody has an inner other. And that inner other is, if you're a feminine defined or identified, then it's the inner other is your inner masculine. And if you're masculine identified, your inner other is your feminine. My inner other astrologically is Cancer. And so I've had to learn how to be in my own emotional storm so that I don't attract it to I don't project it onto my partner. And I've developed, or through that development of being able to be there for myself emotionally, I've actually attracted in better partners. And that's been a long journey that I've been cultivating my inner other, my inner man, my inner Cancer man. Really learning how to be there for myself emotionally. So who is your inner other? If you want to find out, just reach out to me for an astrology reading, and I can tell you about who your inner other is and then help you with your sacred marriage. Because when you cultivate that inner other, then it's like alchemy inside your body, and you attract in a better relationship. Okay, did I already say trust in the process? Yes. So number three is trust in the process. Number one is stop trying so hard. Number two is develop the fine art of aloneness. And number three is trust in the process. Like I said, there's times you're going to be single. There's times you're going to be in a relationship. Just be present in the journey of it all. It's really beautiful. I'm going to read you some trust in the process quotes. In order to love who you are, you can't hate the experiences that shaped you. Let's see, the wrong relationship just prepares you for the right ones. And when the right one comes along, you'll be thankful the other ones didn't work out. This one's the one that I wrote. Trust the process. The universe knows what she's doing. And your soul knows what it's doing. Okay, so before I get off, I want to tell you about some events that we're having. In December the 10th, I'm hosting a DNA activation, and that link is in this live as well. So check out that event, and that's going to be in the evening. We only use 2 strands of our 12 strands and only 7 chakras, barely, of our 12 or more chakras. So we are not living in our full potential, but we are in the great awakening right now. So come to join us in that 12-strand activation. My mind is wandering. I need to stay here with you. And then the new moon. There's a new moon women's circle that I'm going to be facilitating, and I'm really looking forward to that. That's December the 14th. And the new moon is going to be right conjunct the galactic center, which is in Sag. I think it's 24, 25, 26, 27 degree Sagittarius. And what is the galactic center? It is our connection to the universal wisdom, universal truth. So it's a bunch of wisdom that's going to be coming down that you need to be accessed to. I'm looking forward to that. All right, I've rattled on enough. I hope you enjoy this live. Please come next week, and I'll see you next time. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.